Alright, leaking toilet here. Want to see if I can fix this shit myself, because sorry to the plumbers out there, but I'm just not going to spend $200 on something that probably takes 5 or 10 minutes to do. So, it's leaking from here. I just can't tell if it's coming from the seal of this, or if it's coming from the seal under here. And then it's also dripping in here, so I am going to replace this thing. And then that thing looks pretty torn up too, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that too. So wish me luck here. Let's see. I did go ahead and disconnect this. I'm going to get all of the water out of this real quick. And I did turn the water off. Okay, water's out. So I got this bad boy, a 2-pack here. So let's see if I can do this shit. All right, I am unhooking this part. All right, and this just comes, the whole thing just came out. That's pretty cool. Easy peasy. Okay, this is the new one, and I did have to screw this part down to adjust the height so it matches the same height as the other one, so it'll fit in here correctly. So I'm just gonna hook this into the hole and get it all set in there and screw the bolt on the bottom. All right, all connected. So it did just pop onto both of those sides there. That was really easy, and then of course I just attached it to the end of this. I attached the tube there, and then I attached it to the new clip, and then it slides down right here. Okay, turned on the water. No leaks. Filling up. Got it connected. I could have cut this, but I already had it attached, so I'm not even going to bother. I was going to try to take it off, but I'm not going to bother with it. But there you go. Do it yourself, ladies.